Hello students, welcome back to Arsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the third unit, paragraph and dialogue writing. In paragraph writing is a group of sentences or groups of sentences organized around a central topic. Paragraphs are comprised of sentences but not on random sentences. The cardinal rule of paragraph writing is to focus on one idea. For example, if there is a paragraph about computer, so computer is the basic or one idea, and all sentences centered to one idea of computer. A basic paragraph structure usually consists of the topic sentence, supporting sentences and a concluding sentences. There are four essential elements of a good paragraph. Good paragraph has four essential elements which, when used correctly, can change an average paragraph into a good paragraph. In those four elements, first element, unity. Unity in paragraphs begins with topic sentence. Every paragraph has one single controlling idea that is expressed in its topic sentence, which is typically the first sentence of the paragraph. A paragraph is unified around this main idea with the supporting sentences providing details and discussion. In order to write a good topic sentence, think about our theme and all the points we want to state. Decide which point drives the rest and then write it as our topic sentence. Second element, order. Order refers to the way we organize our supporting sentences. Whether we choose chronological order, order of importance, or another logical presentation of detail, a solid paragraph always has a definite organization. In a well-ordered paragraph, the reader follows along easily, aided by the pattern we have established. Order helps the reader to grasp the meaning and avoids confusion. N's published diary. The third essential element of a good paragraph is coherence. Coherence is the quality that makes our writing understandable. Sentences within paragraph need to connect to each other and work together as a whole. One of the best ways to achieve coherence is to use transition words. These words create bridges from one sentence to the next. We can use transition words that show order, means first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, spatial relationship, above, below, or logic, furthermore, in addition, in fact. Also, in writing a paragraph, using a consistent verb tense and point of views are important ingredients for coherence. And last element for a good paragraph is completeness. If all sentences clearly and sufficiently support the main idea, then your or our paragraph is complete. If there are not enough sentences or enough information to prove our idea, then the paragraph is incomplete. Usually 3 supporting sentences in addition to a topic, sentence and concluding sentence are needed for a paragraph to be complete. The concluding sentence or last sentence of the paragraph should summarize our main idea by reinforcing our topic sentence. Especially we have seen the 4 elements of good paragraph: unity, order, coherence and completeness. There are 4 main types of paragraph. Number first, technical paragraph. These paragraphs are related to technical things such as computer, laptop, refrigerators, smartphones, etc. Second types of paragraph is descriptive paragraph. In this paragraph we describe some incident. Number third paragraph, narrative paragraph. Narrative paragraph, in this paragraph someone is narrating the incident or his or her self experience in narrative paragraph. And final paragraph is compare and contrast. There are 4 main types of paragraph. First, technical, those paragraphs related to technical things. Second types of paragraph is descriptive, in which paragraph there is given description of something. Second last paragraph types of paragraph is narrative, in which paragraph there is given narration of some incidents. And finally, compare and contrast paragraph, there is given contrast between 2 ideas, 2 things. For example, college life, city life, college life, school life, college life versus school life. Second example, city life versus village life, etc. So we have seen the basic information about the paragraph writing. In paragraph writing, there are so many sentences related to a central idea or the central theme of the paragraph. It means if there is a paragraph about smartphone, so the first sentence should be as the main sentence of the paragraph. So if there is a paragraph relating, or if there is a paragraph of smartphone, so first sentence should be a smartphone is a mobile phone that can multitask. Multitask means it works as a computer, it works as a calculator, as a playing games, browser. So it includes, or the smartphone provides the multitask. So the first sentence is most important. Second, coherence also there important in paragraph writing. Those sentences are relating to with themselves. So paragraph last and final most essential element, completeness. If all sentences clearly and sufficiently support the main idea, then our paragraph complete. If there are not enough sentences or enough information to prove our idea, so the paragraph is incomplete. So there is most important sentences clearly and sufficiently support the main idea, and then our paragraph complete. So today we have seen the basic information about paragraph writing. We will stop here and we will see the examples of paragraph writing, examples of paragraph in the next session. Thank you very much.